Alright, let's look at the last problem set, which is two-step inequalities. So again, just like the one-step inequalities, it's just like solving an equation, except for the only difference is that you have an inequality symbol instead of an equal sign. And we have to remember that rule. If we divide or multiply it by a negative, we have to flip the symbol, which I think that we might have to do here. Let's see. I'm going to rewrite the problem. 12 minus 6x is greater than 24. Alright, so this is a two-step problem. So we're going to find x first, right here. Two things are happening to x. It's being multiplied by negative 6, and there's a positive 12 out here being added to it. So first, we're going to try to get the x by itself. So we're going to get rid of this positive 12. So we're going to think of the opposite of positive 12 as a negative 12. So we're going to subtract 12 from both sides. Those cancel out there. 24 minus 12 is 12 over here. So on the left side you have negative 6x is greater than 12. So that's our step number one. Again, it's two-step inequalities, so that's step one. Now I'm going to find the x again. Here's the x. This time it's being multiplied by a negative 6. So I want to think of the opposite of multiplying by negative 6, which is dividing by negative 6. That's the inverse operation. So I'm going to divide by negative 6 on both sides, because whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So now on the left, I get just x by itself, because those negative 6's canceled each other out. On the right side, I get 12 divided by negative 6, which is negative 2. You can use a calculator if you need to. Now, on this step here, on the second step, I divided by a negative 6. So I need to flip my inequality symbol. That's the rule. If you divide by a negative, you must flip the symbol. So instead of having x is greater than negative 2, I'm going to have to flip that symbol. Now x is less than negative 2. So that should be your answer. Again, just like last time, I'm going to plot it. You don't have to do this. You will have to do it for the test. But on these Khan Academy problems, it doesn't ask you to plot the inequality, but I'm going to anyway, just so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to draw my number line, and it will be an open circle. This says x is less than negative 2. Open circle at negative 2, because my problem set does not include negative 2. X is less than negative 2. So I'm going to shade to the left of the negative 2, because those numbers are less than negative 2. And it's an open circle because my answer does not include negative 2. So that's what the graph of this inequality would look like. So over here you have to use the drop-down box to select the inequality symbol that you want. My answer that I got was x is less than negative 2. So I'm going to choose the less than symbol, enter in negative 2.